How to log in to Snapchat without verification code. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to log into Snapchat without needing that pesky verification code. If you find yourself stuck because you're not receiving the code via text or email, don't worry, I've got you covered. So first things first, go to your settings, then go to general, and then scroll down and tap on VPN and device management. So we need to make sure that you're not connected to a VPN, as this can often cause issues with Snapchat. So if you're connected to VPN, go ahead and disconnect it. Now, if you're still having trouble, I recommend hopping out of the Snapchat app and using a web browser instead. You can go to any web browser and then on the search bar, search for accounts.snapchat.com. So, search for it, and then now it will prompt you to log in. Now try logging in from here because sometimes the app might be buggy and won't give you verification code, so you can try from the browser. However, if you don't receive from here as well, then you can go to Snapchat support. So open it up and then just go to how can we help and scroll down, and you can go to I can't access my account and then scroll down again, and you can either go to I can't verify my email address or mobile number, or you can go to I forgot my password. So if you tap on it, it will give you a solution. So you can see that in order to access your account, you'll need access to your email address or mobile number to reset your password. So you can just go there, and then you can try resetting your Snapchat password by opening up the settings, and you can see you can go to your account and tap on the email address or phone number, and then you can follow the on-screen steps. So if you don't get a verification code, you can even check your email spam or junk folder and make sure that a mobile has reception and text from unknown senders isn't blocked. And then to make sure that unknown senders isn't blocked, you need to go to settings, and then you'll need to scroll down, go to apps, and then go to messages. You'll find unknown and spam under message filtering, and make sure that filter unknown senders is toggled off. And that's it. I hope it helps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.